ప్రస్తుతం ఖమ్మం మమతా హాస్పిటల్ లో మెడికల్ విద్యార్థులతో వైఎస్ షర్మిల మాట్లాడుతున్నారు.
Education alone can lead to the eradication of the poverty in the families of the poor is what he totally believed, and that's why he brought in things like fees reimbursement that gave equal opportunity to poor students to show their strength, to show their ability in fields of education and profession. Rajshekhar Reddy Garu also gave equal opportunity to rural children, rural students. When he thought of schemes like IIIT and all, these schemes were aimed to promote rural students. In IIITs, students from urban cities cannot get into such institutions. It was meant totally for rural students. So things like fees reimbursement, things like IIITs were meant to convert these students into human capital. And it's totally a great idea. When Dr. Rajshekhar Reddy Garu was alive, the scheme worked excellently well. There are lakhs and lakhs of students that passed out of professional courses and are today employed in decent companies and decent salaries. But unfortunately, after the demise of Dr. Rajshekhar Reddy Garu, the scheme is almost come to a standstill. The scheme is no longer functioning as it was meant to be. Clearly because the government is not supporting it the way it ought to. There are many students now who are actually even dropping out of professional courses, even after getting into it. With great difficulty they get into a course and they are just dropping out because of lack of funds. And the government has to own responsibility to this. But one thing we can assure, when YSR Congress Party comes to power, with Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu as its leader, we assure you that fees reimbursement will go on in the way it was meant to by Dr. Rajshekhar Reddy Garu. It will definitely uphold the cause of the poor students. It will definitely uphold the cause of every, irrespective of whatever caste, irrespective of whatever anything party or anything it may be. Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu will uphold the cause of the poor students and make sure that the fees reimbursement program will function effectively and promote every student that wants to study higher studies. And also, Dr. Rajshekhar Reddy Garu himself was a doctor, and so he thought of schemes like Arogyasri, 108, 104, and many such things, because he knew the importance of health. And so many times he always said that it gave him great pleasure to see the results of Arogyasri. So greatly appreciate all of you for choosing the doctor course, and greatly appreciate all of you if you will actually go into the rurals and work for the development of the rurals of this state. Thank you all for coming. Thank you all for your time.